Hello and welcome to this Forex Preview at xm.com. We'll be discussing the Eurozone economy, upcoming Euro area inflation data for the month of September, due out on Friday, and the potential reaction in the Euro. I'm Maria Pachurdes, and joining me is Senior Investment Analyst Haralambos Bisuros. So Haralambos, the Eurozone economy seems to be on the verge of a recession. Even though the ECB raised interest rates by 75 basis points at the last meeting, the Euro continued falling. Now on Friday, we'll get inflation data for September. What are we expecting, keeping in mind that oil and natural gas prices have come off their highs?
Hello, Maria. Yes, indeed, the euro has been tumbling, hitting a new 20-year low just today. As for the data, expectations are for the headline harmonized index of consumer prices to have hit a new record high of 9.7% year over year, and for the core rate to have ticked up to 5.6% from 5.5%. However, with both the year-on-year rates of oil and natural gas prices sliding notably recently, there is the risk that the spread between the two inflation rates will narrow rather than widen, as their difference is mainly due to energy and food. Either the headline rate did not rise as expected, or the core one increased by more. Mathematically, this also includes the case of both rates sliding, with the headline falling more than the core, but with the euro tumbling throughout the whole month, this appears to be an unrealistic scenario. In any case, with the demand for energy having the potential to increase during winter months, inflation could accelerate again, even if there is a downside surprise this week.
Right, so if there is a downside surprise in the data, what will it mean for the ECB and for the euro?
A downside surprise could mean that the ECB may not need to act as aggressively as currently expected and may force the euro to extend its tumble without correcting higher. On the other hand, a new inflation record could validate speculation of a more forceful ECB and thereby allow a rebound. According to money markets, currently investors are assigning a nearly 85% chance for another 75 basis points hike at the October gathering. Nonetheless, with traders fearful of higher interest rates hurting even more the already injured economy, the currency may soon resume its prevailing downtrend, even in the case of further acceleration in inflation. Last Friday, Eurozone's preliminary composite PMI slid to 48.2 from 48.9, indicating contraction for the third month in a row and adding credit to the case that the GDP rate for the third quarter will have a minus sign next to it. This probably increased investors' anxiety over the performance of the Eurozone economy, and accelerating inflation this coming Friday will likely do very little to relieve them. Now, from a technical standpoint, even if Eurodollar rebounds on higher inflation, the bears could take charge again from around the 0.9860 zone, marked by the inside swing low of September 6th, with the next leg south perhaps extending the prevailing downtrend towards the 0.9335 territory, defined as support by the low of June 6, 2002. In my opinion, the bullish case could be put on the table upon a break above 1.02, accompanied by data suggesting that the ECB's actions are having the desired effect on inflation, as well as that the economy is withstanding the pressure of higher rates.
Haralambos, thanks so much. And thanks for joining us at xm.com.